Compensation, opposite change, day 4. Grab your whiteboard or your notebook. Today we're practicing mostly 2-digit plus 2-digit numbers that go over 100, which is honestly what I like compensation the most. All right, 68 plus 56. We're going to do it 2 different ways. The first time I'm going to add 2 and subtract 2. By doing this, it gets me to my next 10. So 68 plus 2 is 70. 56 minus 2 is 54. 70 plus 54 is kind of a hard problem because it goes over 100. So 70's partner is 30. That will get me to 100. And then if I take 30 out of 54, it leaves me with 24. So it's 124. I almost have to do a mini break apart in my head, like that. But if you need to write it down, go ahead. Or what I honestly prefer is to go to the next 100. You need to practice your partners to 100, and then it will be easy. 68's partner to 100 is 32. I know that because 60 plus 30 equals 90, and 8 plus 2 equals 10. So that gives me to 100, and then 56 minus 32 is 24. So 100 plus 24 equals 124. You can see why I love this way the most, because 100 plus 24 is a lot easier than 70 plus 54. But you have to know your partners to 100. If you don't, practice them, and you can still compensate. You will just need to do a mini break apart like this to help you add it. Let's try another one. 79 plus 35. If I add 1, that gets me to 80. Subtract 1, and it's 34. Well, 80 plus 34, I'll do a mini break apart because 80's partner is 20, and it leaves me with a 14. So it's 114. Or I can do 79 plus 21 equals 100. And 35 minus 21 equals 14. So 100 plus 14 equals 114. You can choose which way you like. If you want to go to the close benchmark, this one you go to the close benchmark. This one we go to the big benchmark or the next 100. We've been practicing partners to 100, and this is one of the reasons why. All right, 38 plus 39. Notice this does not go over 100, so we're just going to go to the next 10. So plus 1, because 9 is closer than 8, and minus 1. 38 minus 1 is 37. 39 plus 1 is 40. 40 plus 37 equals 77. Great job. Now notice, look at your 10s. It goes over 100. So push pause and try to solve it, and then I'll do both ways with you. All right, 85 plus 5 equals 90. 37 minus 5 equals 32. 90 plus 30 might be kind of hard, so do a break apart, just a mini one. And then you'll have 90 plus 10 equals 122. Or you can just know 85's partner to 100 because you've been practicing, and know that it's 15 because 80 plus 10 equals 90, and 5 is 10. I always do a check with a 90 plus 10 to make sure. 37 minus 15 equals 22. So it's 122. Notice whichever way you do it, you should get the same answer. All right, push pause and try this one. 79 plus 1 equals 80. 29 minus 1 equals 28. 80 plus 20 equals 108. Now we could add our partner to 100, and 79 needs a 1 to get to 80, and then a 20 to get to 100. So I need to subtract 21 from 29, which is 8. 100 plus 8 equals 108. Keep on practicing doing your compensation. It's a great strategy. It's really good for mental math as well.